Hello and welcome to Shira's Crafty Sciencey Studio. Today we will be making a hamantashen. Hello, this is me, Shira, once again, and my little assistant Netta that will join us in as she's eating her apple. Today we will be making hamantashen, and our question will be, can you make a triangle out of a circle? Let's get working. Here we are starting off with a circle, of course, because we're talking about circles in this time. So we will be making a filling of melted chocolate chips. And earlier, when I was practicing doing a video, we talked about that having strawberry jelly filling, which is how we made these guys with the filling of strawberry jelly. So I'm gonna take down. So as we start in the circle out.
What are hamantashen?
Hamantashen are things that is a dish that Jewish people eat on a holiday called Purim. Actually, I'm thinking of putting this in the inside because, then it's showing out and it's kind of distracting. So we're actually gonna put it where the scribbles are on top. So we're gonna do a filling of melted chocolate chips once again. So here we go, making something called something that me and my family call a burrito tape. Actually, Nita, I have an idea. I'll give you one of my long pieces. My assistant's name is Neta. She has hands full, so I'm not quite sure if she can make burrito tapes with hands full. So now I have this dark brown is to mark where we're exactly gonna paste our filling. Right there. So our burrito tape might be bigger than our mark, but that is fine. We can already start getting pasting. Actually, no. Before we paste our burrito tape, the most important part is to cover it, but leave this part, the bottom, open. So basically we're gonna paste a square of duct tape on top of our roll of actual duct tape. And here comes the easiest moment, pasting it on. Here we go. Netta, I think you can do it on there. Or no, with one hand. You can't do it with one hand, I think. So here comes the answer to our question. So I'm going to tell the answer, or no, maybe I'll wait. So you might be changing your mind right now. Once you see that I'm folding the top, you might guess that I'm going to fold these two corners. But let's see what's going to happen. We're going to take one. This is long enough. Right, Nita? So, no, and another one to make it a little more stable. Okay, so now what we will be doing is I think that she cannot do this because the last time when we were practicing and we were making a video that we changed our mind of posting it on YouTube. Okay, so all this wrapping is just holding us up, I know, but it will be shorter. We won't need to do all this taping. If you're doing real hamantashen, what you actually do is you just stick it together with your fingers, and then what I do is I fold it down again. I fold that point down, since you might be thinking the answer was no, but let's see if you think the answer was yes by looking at these. Let's see if we're forming the same thing. So now we will be folding another edge, and we will see where that edge will be. Just keep thinking of ways that we can make this a triangle. Just keep thinking and don't stop, because if you stop, nothing's gonna happen really, but just if you stop thinking because you think the answer will be right, if you think the answer will be no, just keep the no if you think that will be right, and you don't have to change your mind again. And then if you say yes, you think that it's yes, and you think that you don't have to change your mind again, but if you were wrong and you actually do want to change your mind, you can. We're not gonna tell you never change your mind, because we can keep you thinking different stuff. As this changes, we're gonna start getting the way of how we can make this circle a triangle. This is a really easy craft to do, but not that easy when it comes to this kind of taping. The easiest part is drawing the circles, honestly. Hey! She's that little girl that I know that knows how to spell her name. She actually... Netta, we're not done.
I'm eating the other food. I'm doing the one and food. That is the other. That is the other food. That is the other.
I'm gonna save my snack for later, because, and now the last corner will reveal our answer. You might see it a little clearer if you said no. You may not at the beginning. At the very beginning, it is really easy to just say no. You cannot. If I did not show you guys the real hamantashen ears that we made before, but they're like not real. They're not edible. But they are what we made before. Netta, if you need help, just tell me. Thank you.
Wee.
big sister is also one more thing that we add that I want to add. Just if you guys have a sibling and they start getting to becoming toddlers, this is what it's like. Sometimes you guys play together. Sometimes you guys
This
are
one
in
is
fights.
mine. Don't you eat 2 of them? This one is mine.
That one is first. So today what we learned is that how to make a triangle out of a flat circle. A circle can easily become a triangle.
Yum, yum, yum.
But also, I wanted to add some stuff. You can look up on Google how to make you can look up the recipe of how to make real hamantashens. And one time we tried, my dad made the dough, added too much butter, melted in the oven, and what it did is it became as flat as a pancake. So hope you enjoyed the video. You can keep following us on Shear's Crafty Science. So bye-bye.
Bye-bye.